really hope you're aware of these closing costs before you actually get into escrow. So let's just assume you're just starting the buying process and want to get informed. These closing costs can range quite a bit and they entail quite a few items. So let's break it down a little bit. One of the closing fees you will see on your lender statement is the appraisal fee. Typically, when you do get financing, your lender will require an appraiser, and it is on you, the buyer, to pay for this fee. The second one is the credit reporting fee. This is the fee the lender charges to pull your credit. The loan origination fee is the fee the lender requires to actually process your loan. Now let's talk about the loan discount fee for a second. This is the fee that the lender will charge if you're going to buy down the interest rate. Yes, you can have your lender buy down the interest rate, but it will cost you. And that brings me to a really good point, because this is exactly why you should compare at least two lenders. Each lender has access to the same interest rate, but they may charge you a different fee to get you to that interest rate. So let me give you a quick example. Let's say you go to lender number one, and lender number one will quote you 6% interest rate at $5,000 loan discount fee. Now, if you go to lender number two, and yay, lender number two is quoting you a 5% interest rate, at first sight, that may be the better choice. But what if lender number two charges you $10,000 to get to that 5%? That's where you should ask lender number one, who quoted you the higher interest rate, to see what it will cost you to get to that 5% interest rate. And that's how you compare apples to apples. Now here's another fee that causes quite a bit of confusion with buyers, and that's the title insurance fee. This fee is what your title company charges to search the title, examine the title, title insurance, and any document preparation fee. Wait a second, title insurance? What is that? Now I know you're gonna ask me, what is title insurance? So let me give you a brief rundown on that. One of the disclosures that's required when you're in escrow is the preliminary title report. That title report will show you if there's any outstanding liens on the property, if there's any clouds on title, if there's any encroachments or any easements. So hopefully any issues with title will be on that preliminary title report. Now, let's say you close on a property and sure enough, the ex-spouse from 10 years ago proves that she or he was on title and this wasn't shown in the preliminary title report. Title insurance is there to save you from any such issues, and it will pay for legal fees and anything that's necessary to resolve the problem.